Hey, welcome back. I'll take it today isn't your first day that you've popped on YouTube and decided to watch a video on a face grain cutting board. So in that case, I'm going to save you a little bit of time, make this video nice and quick, nice time lapse of building a board, but not going into too much detail. Kind of let you watch the process rather than describe the whole thing. Give you a little background on this board. So when I first decided to start this project, I was in a little bit of a dilemma. It was coming up on Christmas time, and we have some property managers that we do a lot of work for in one of my businesses. Not this one in particular, but we needed some gifts for two customers in particular. I didn't want to be just that normal guy that goes out and buys gift cards as a thank you. I wanted to do something that was a little more custom, a little more thoughtful, so I figured why not do a cutting board, something that can be customized, and it worked out great, so they were super happy with it. On these boards we got walnut, sapele, and cherry. Cherry being the lighter of the three woods here, obviously. It almost looks like a maple color in this one. I wasn't too happy after running it through the planer on how much it had lightened up. I was really looking for a darker cherry, but it came out looking pretty good. If this step right here is something that interests you on how we program the CNC using Vectric software for doing the juice groove and any engraving, I will have a video coming out pretty soon on engraving these boards and a little more in depth on the software, so stay tuned for that one if you're interested. After some mineral oil to finish these guys off, they're all set. The customers absolutely loved them. super glad I did this versus just buying something from the store or giving a gift card. Just means that much more. I appreciate you guys' support through likes, subscribes, comments, whether negative or positive. Definitely feel free to give me feedback. It definitely helps. Hope to see you guys at the next one. Thanks, and see you soon.